Well, hey, everyone. My name is Warren Howe,
And my name is Shafiq.
and together we are FACADEMY. So, what is FACADEMY? What do we do? Our mission is to empower people to reach financial independence and achieve that F status. So, for those of you guys that have been following us, you guys already know what we do, right? What do we mean by FU money? What do we mean by FU goals? Yep. Our vision is to bring that FY life, FU life to 1 million investors. Now, that is a big vision, and this is what we seek to actually achieve by preaching what we do, right? So, what do we do? Basically, I'm the fundamental of that analysis guy. We combine strategies of fundamentals with technicals, right? Where Shafiq is a technical analysis guy. We combine our strategies to maximize our gains in the stock markets because this is what we believe that we have the edge in the stock market, right? We combine FA and TA. So this is where we can have the best of both worlds of having shorter term, shorter term gaining, shorter term trading, shorter term gains, plus fueled by longer term disruptive potential growth stocks, and we can maximize the gains over the long run because everything is compounded, right? Now, I hope 2021 has been a rocky year for growth investors, right? Whether we like it or not. Now, I hope you guys have been, in a position of power because you guys are actually taking care of your portfolios. You know your strategies. You know what stocks to buy and hunt for. You are actually building cash positions, and you are ready to pounce on anything on deals. So hopefully you guys have been doing well. Hopefully your gains have been doing well. Like, what are your gains? Share with us, right? What are your gains? We are reachable. You can reach us either drop a comment down there. But again, if you want to follow us on what we do, hopefully you can click that subscribe button. Yep. Subscribers, follow us, like this video if you liked it, and you can actually see what we do. Yeah.
And talking about 2021, it's been a heck of year, right? We see Omicron. In Malaysia, we have like budget after that, stock market plummeting. We see, Fed, Fed tapering, all these things that have been challenging years for us, but it's very exciting years. And today, we also want to share with you guys a very exciting things. A gift from FACADEMY to you guys, right? So, Warren, where's the exciting news?
Yes, sir. So, what is the exciting news? But before that, we want to reveal a little bit of our progress and update on how did our FY public portfolio go. So, as you guys already know, those of you who have been following us, we purposely created an account ever since 2019, from September 2019. And we deposited 2,300 USD, which is close to 10,000 ringgit. And we are very fortunate to be growing that to 253,000 in this account, right? Which is already 7 figures in Malaysian ringgit. Yep. So you can see the TWR, time weighted return, not factoring in all the money that has been deposited, to about 769%. Now, what you can see here is that we also deposited close to 500,000 ringgit, which is 118,000 USD, due to the gains from what we have been trading in Bursa. What are the short-term trades? Now, what we mentioned just now. So Shafiq has been in charge of Bursa trades, and the goal is to fuel the long-term investments because that's what we do. We use the US account to be, investing in disruptive companies because that's where we believe the growth is for long run, and we can compound. And we are taking advantage of the shorter term trades in Malaysia. Now we are about to change the game a little bit in 2022 because Shafiq is going to be focusing more on US trades, shorter term gains, and also we'll be diving into options. But we want to be in a position of power to actually educate ourselves more in options before we actually preach it. But yeah, 2022 is going to be very exciting, right? Like we said. And also just an update basically on our Bursa account in the FY public portfolio. This is, these are the stocks that we hold right now. And we are fortunate also to be growing that to, 69% gains and 272,000 ringgit. So all in all, we actually grew the public account to a substantial amount. Me and Shafiq, we have actually, we are dedicated, we are committed to actually put in our money, right? And a result of this is not only on gains, it's also on what we preach. Basically, it's earning our money, right? We always said this, earning our money, saving it, investing it, and most importantly, reinvesting it to compound. So that's the result of where this public portfolio grew. If
Yep.
we add in all together, the funds that we have is actually close to 1.3 million ringgit, which is 250,000 USD or so. Yeah, so that's very exciting. But the other exciting news that we want to give you guys is our account it's a smaller account, right? So what happened is we created from this IBKR a sub account, like what we linked, and we added 3,000 USD into this account. So what's exciting about this account is that we added a week ago 3,000 USD of our own money. Now, why do we do that? Again, it's serving the same purpose. We want to take care of the little guys, right? We want to take care of everyone. Maybe a majority of people in Malaysia or anywhere else, retail investors. We want to show people that even with low capital, we can actually combine with the use of FATA, FATA, we can maximize our gains, right? Fingers crossed. And hopefully we can emulate based on what we do to grow that $3,000 portfolio into 200,000, right? That's our goal. But of course, obviously, we don't expect this to grow in a year's time. But over time, this will eventually grow. Maybe it will take 5 to 10 years. Now, what is the purpose of this? Is to basically preach that we need a portfolio blueprint, right? Every single thing we do, we're going to reveal is going to be more transparent than what it is from 2019 and 2020, even 2021. So we are dedicated and we're committed to actually show more of this portfolio. And basically, we will reveal what we buy, right? We will reveal why we bought it. We will reveal, our cash positions. Yep. We'll also reveal the thematic trading, which Shafiq is actually handling, from thematic trading, shorter term gains to momentum trades. Hopefully, we can actually have that, right, with risk cut loss procedures and take profits and whatnot, so we can fuel the longer game. We can actually fuel the longer term account. Yep. So you can see that I already bought, 3 stocks here. I couldn't resist, right? I couldn't resist, Fake, because I see the stock market is actually, for growth stocks, especially, actually going down on deals. I just had to grab them, right? So, we started this a little over 1 week ago. We deposited 3,000 USD. Right now, we are at 20 to 25% cash, which is actually 20% cash, 730 USD. So I do not want to go, all in. So what am I thinking right now? I'm thinking like as though that, I'm imagining that, this is what we have, right? Because I want to, hopefully you guys can actually emulate my thought process, because we don't go all in. We also need cash on hand, right? In case the market dips further, so that we can actually have the flexibility of going on more deals or trading. Yeah. So again, portfolio blueprint, our trading strategies or FA strategies, we combine the use of FATA, which gives us the edge in the market. And hopefully we want to maximize the gains, right? Right, Fik? Is there anything you want to add?
Yes, this FA project is perfect project. Right? I hopefully you guys will excited with this, because you see our daily move. You see what we trade, what we invest. Basically, you see our joyous moment when we make a profit. You see our emotion and stress out, and we losing position. But yeah, it's perfect and it's exciting, right? We want to share with you guys. Hopefully, we can grow together. We can invest and trade together, and make a lot of money, achieve the FY money together. Yep.
Yes. So again, guys, if you want to follow us in our journey, if you want to follow us on how this actually portfolio can grow, hit the subscribe button, right? Hit that like button and follow us on all our channels. Follow on YouTube, because this is where we are going to be more active in right now. And yeah, again, hopefully you got some value out of this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Bye.